On May 25, 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold and seemingly impossible challenge to Congress.
I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth.
That challenge accelerated the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. The first superpower to land on the moon wouldn't just plant the flag, give a speech, and grab a few moon rocks. Dominion over the moon would be a source of national pride, technical superiority, and military supremacy. By 1965, lunar probes from the US and the USSR were sending back the first pictures of the dark side of the moon. That's when the world's two greatest superpowers realized they were too late. The moon had already been claimed, just not by humans.